Good morning students. Today in accountancy session we are going to continue with unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. Next you see question 16. We are going to calculate average period method. The sum goes like this. Kavita withdraws regularly rupees 2500 per month. You got me? Interest on drawing is 4% is given. Calculate interest using average period method. If she draws at the beginning of every month, at the middle of every month, at the end of every month, the question goes like this. So first we want to calculate 2500 is drawings per month, so we want to calculate total drawings. Okay children, so total drawings will be 2500 into 12. For 1 year she is withdrawing 30,000. You got me students? Now here I have written the heading. If it is beginning of every month, then you want to write the formula. Interest on drawing is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. Okay children, now in this drawing, in this formula we are having total drawings is how much children? That is equal to rupees 30,000. Next you see rate of interest is how much? 4%. Okay. Next you see average period. Average period you have to remember the tabular column here. If it is in the beginning of every month, what is the average period? As I told you, it is 13 divided by 24. Am I right? You have to simply apply the formula here. That is 13 divided by 24. That's all. Now you want to evaluate this. So when you evaluate this, you are getting here, you see 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24. Your answer will be 5 6 are 30. So here you get here children rupees 650. Next students, we want to calculate interest on drawing at the middle of every month. So once again you have to take and write total drawings. Total drawings amount is same rupees 30,000. You want to write middle of every month. So if it is middle of every month, what will be the average period you want to substitute? That will be 24 by 12 by 24. Okay, next you see interest on drawing formula is written total drawings into rate into average period. So I have written 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 12 by 24. You want to substitute the amount here. So when you simplify, you get an amount of rupees 600. Students, next we want to calculate drawing at the end of every month. Okay, so I once again the same method children. Total drawings is 30,000. You want to write end of every month. If it is end of every month, what will be the average period? It will be 11 by 24, isn't it? Now interest on drawing, apply the formula here, substitute the amount, substitute the average period, that is 11 by 24. On simplification you get an amount of rupees 550. Hope you understood this sum. Students, question number 17. Kevin is a partner. He draws rupees 5,000 at the end of each quarter. You have to note down this point, at the end of each quarter. Interest on drawing charged at 6% per annum. Calculate interest using average period method. So this is the question. From this question you want to take into consideration what is the amount withdrawn, that is rupees 5,000. When he is withdrawing at the end of each quarters, how many quarters are there? 4 quarters are there. So at the end of each quarter he is withdrawing. So from the table you have to take and write what is the formula for average period if it is at the end of each quarter. See, I have written it for you children, that is 9 by 24. You got me students? Now you want to write the formula. Total drawing is equal to 5,000 rupees. So each quarter 5,000 na, total there are 4 quarters. Appa into 4, for a year you get 20,000. You got me students? Apply the formula here. Interest on drawing, total drawing into rate of interest into average period. You want to substitute that average period here. Okay. So the amount will be rupees 20,000 into rate of interest is 6 by 100 into average period 9 by 24. You got me students? So you get an amount of rupees 450. This is your interest on drawings. Hope you understood this sum. Students, question number 18 goes like this. Ram withdraws rupees 18,000 at the beginning of each half year. You want to note down this point here. Beginning of each half year. Interest on drawing is how much? 10%. You want to calculate interest on drawing using average period method. Okay. So I have written the solution, children. What you want to note down is that you have to find out the average period if the drawings is made for the beginning of each half year. In the table, I have given you the average period, that is 18 by 24. Okay, at the beginning of each half year, 18 by 24. If you substitute this, you get 9 by 12. 9 2s are 18, 12 2s are 24. Apply the formula here. Total drawings is equal to 18,000 into 2. Why I have written 18,000 into 2? Because it is each half year. In a year, how many half years are there? 2 half years are there. Okay, from January to December, 2 half years you have in a year. So 18,000 into 2, you are getting here rupees 36,000. Apply the formula. Interest on drawing is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average period. Okay, so I am going to substitute the amount now, children. So rupees 36,000 into rate of interest is how much? 10 by 100 into average period is 18 by 24. Okay, so you get here an amount of rupees 2,700.